Inner thighs, we all hate them. Today I'm going to share with you some exercises that are great for tackling the inner thighs and also working your glutes as well. Hi, I'm Gabby. Welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. If you've not already hit subscribe, go ahead, do that right now so you don't miss out anytime I upload a brand new workout. This is a follow along video. There's going to be a timer at the top of the screen so you can see how far you are into the workout, and I will also put the name of the exercise on the screen underneath. If you've got any questions after the video, just drop me a comment down below. Let's get straight into it. I want you to bring your feet wider than the hips, toes are forwards. You're going to bend through the knees and incline the body forward, so the body's on an incline. From here, you're going to send your weight over to one foot, tap the toe, slide across, tap to the other foot. Tap down, tap down. As you go side to side here, I want you to think about your hips being on one straight line. So the hips are going across in one straight line. This way you're really getting those inner thighs. Go reach, go reach. So you're going side to side, tapping over to the toe, reach and reach. Keeping a bend through the knees, gliding your hips along the top of the table, reach, go reach. Extending through that leg as you go across, so reach. So let's get that heart rate up a little bit as well as getting those inner thighs. Reach, keep going, 10 more, 9, 8 more, 7 of them going down to the floor, go 6, 5 more, 4, keep going, 3, 2, 1. Straight away, you're going to bring yourself down towards the floor. I want you to bring your hands under the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. Then from here, you're going to make sure this left leg's in a 90-degree angle and then bring it out to the side into a fire hydrant and squeeze it all the way back in and down. So the leg is in a 90-degree angle, out to the side, all the way back and down. Breathing in, breathing exhale. That heart rate will be a little bit high from that quick walk we just did. Squeezing all the way up, all the way back down. Now the leg stays in a 90-degree angle, knee to knee together, all the way out to the side lift. As you lift the leg, you will feel it not only in the side of your thigh, in towards your glute, into your butt, you'll also feel it on the inner thigh. So you want to think here about your inner thigh working. As you lift the leg, the inner thigh engages all the way back down. We're going to go single count. Lift up, lower down. Lift up, drop down. Really important. Both the legs stay in that 90-degree angle. Lower down. Lift up, drop back down. Keep going, breathing, inhale. Exhale. Lift up, drop down. And down. Go up, go down. Keep going. Give me 10 more of these. 9 more. You have 8 more. Just go 7. 90-degree angle. 6. It burns. 5. Squeeze together, 4, 3, 2, last one, and lower down. Well done. From here, you're going to go same working leg, lower all the way down in towards a clamshell, but we're going to go side lying. So you're on this arm underneath, and this forearm is going to drop down here. Toes together in line with your glutes, and the knees to the ceiling, clamshell position. You're going to close the knee down and then squeeze all the way back up with the knee and lift. Close all the way down, press all the way up and lift. The toes are together, the knees drop together, and all the way back up and lift. Now it's so important here, your knees are in front of the body, the toes are in line with your glutes, or you won't get the burnout. This is great for the inner thighs, also so great for toning up the back of your glutes into your butt. So we're really working into your butt as well today, all the way down to the floor. All the way, lift the knee to the ceiling and back down again. Keep going. You've got 6 more of these to go and down again. You have 5 more. And back down to the floor. You've got 4 more of these. All the way up, lower, back down. Keep going. 3 more. And back down. You've got 2 more. All the way up and lower down. Now last one. I want you to keep this top knee up to the ceiling. Now lift the toes up and away, and you're going to stay there, hold stillness. Now the whole time, you want to really be pressing that back knee behind yourself. Give me 10 seconds here. 9, 8, 7, 6, keep going, 5, 4, I'm shaking, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Lift yourself all the way back up again. I'm going to switch up to the other side, so I'm going to turn around, bring the hands underneath the shoulders, knees underneath your hips, fire hydrant. So you want to bring the two knees together, right side, all the way up with the leg, all the way back down again. So you want to go knee towards your knee. So you're going right up to the side, back down again. Again, you're going to feel this into the glute, into the outside of your thigh, all the way in towards the outside of your butt, all the way back down again. Keep going. Squeezing up to the side, bringing it back down. 290-degree angles. You're drawing a straight line, knee to knee. All the way up, hips are straight. Trying to stay pointing to the floor as much as possible. Bring the leg all the way to the side, all the way back down. Keep going, give me just 10 more single counts. Up, down, nice. 9, keep going. 8, you've got it. Just go 7, 6 more, lower. 5, drop. Go 4, lower down. 3, lower down. 2, drop. Last one, lower down. Well done. From here, you're going to come all the way back into that clamshell position. Lower the side of your body towards the floor. This forearm comes in front here. The toes come in line with your glutes. The knees are forward, don't fall asleep. Now we're going to lift the knee up, lower back down. All the way up with the knee, all the way back down. Now the reason this forearm is on the floor is because that way you're really isolating in towards the glute and in towards that inner thigh. If you're up on the forearm, you've got more possibility of really just working the hip instead of working your glutes and inner thighs. All the way up with the knee, all the way back down. Keep going, I know you've got it. Pressing the knee backwards, all the way down. Now I can imagine you've got a spring between your inner thighs. You're squeezing it closed and then it's pushing you open. So you're squeezing it closed, working the inner thigh, pressing it open, working the glute. Keep going all the way down. All the way up, stick with me, all the way down, all the way up. You've got just 5 more of these and then we are going to hold. You've got 4 more of these, all the way down, all the way up and lift. 3, up and lift, keep going, 2 more, up and lift, 1 more, up lift, then you're going to hold. Keep the knee up. Now can you lift both the toes up and away from the floor? I am shaking and burning. You're going to press the back of your thigh 1 inch further round behind yourself and give me 10 seconds here. 9, 8, get those toes higher. You've got 7, 6, push back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Drop me a comment down below and let me know how you found this workout today. Give us a thumbs up and make sure you hit subscribe. I will see you all again soon for another video.